Drones are a new craze for outdoor and water sports. If you are an avid outsider or do a lot of fishing, a drone can give you a bird's eye view of the lake, ocean, or river that you like to fish in. This blog shows the best drones for fishing. In this video we will look at some of the best fishing drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro Fishing Drone. The first one on our list is the DJI Mavic 2 Pro RC quadcopter with a 4K HD camera, 128GB memory, tracking system, and so much more. The device comes with obstacle sensors and takes HD images, making it one of the best drones for fishing that you can buy. The Mavic Pro 2 is a dedicated fishing drone with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera, a 20MP camera, and a 1-inch CMOS sensor. The 1-inch 20MP CMOS camera allows you to capture high-definition shots and detect everything around your surroundings when scouting for fish. The DJI Mavic 2 gives you minutes to fly up to 31 minutes with a maximum speed of 44 RPM. It has a takeoff weight of 907 g and has a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, allowing you to take stable and steady shots in the air. It also comes with a 2.0 active track system that ensures precise location tracking and safe return and has obstacle sensors. Moreover, the device has an adjustable aperture, and the remote control offers 135 minutes of battery backup. The device has 8GB internal storage capacity and 128GB SD card supporting capability. It also has an intelligent flight battery which ensures proper battery usage, and also smart battery management provides longer runtime. It also comes with a gimbal protector to protect it from any fish bites, 3 extra propellers, and a charger. Number 2. DJI Phantom 4 Pro Fishing Drone. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro is a £3 2160p video capturing fishing drone with a missional shutter and state-of-the-art guiding system. If you are searching, what are the best drones for fishing? The DJI Phantom 4 Pro Fishing Drone is an excellent choice. This fishing drone has a 3-axis gimbal and a 1-inch 20MP CMOS camera sensor. Moreover, it also has a missional shutter which ensures no rolling shutter distortion while taking a picture or video. The drone has 72 kph speed with an 8 km transmitting capacity, making it one of the best fishing drones. The drone has a wide range of 8 kilometers, ensuring the device's safety even in long range. Moreover, due to the OcuSync 2.0 frequency auto-switching feature, you can transmit your direction to the drone no matter how far it is in the water. It also offers intelligent flight modes with active track, draw mode, which helps create a specific flight path, tap fly, and gesture mode. You are also getting sensors all around the device, and the downward sensors help stabilize the drone and allow you to fly at a low altitude. It is also compatible with most Android and iOS devices, delivers 4K UHD videos at 2160p, and has an extended flight time of 31 minutes to flight in total. The remote controller comes with a smartphone holder and provides a stable connection even in long range. You are also getting a gimbal clamp, a microSD card, 32GB, and 4 extra propellers. Number 3. DJI Mavic Mini Fishing Drone. The DJI Mavic Mini is one of the best budget fishing drones in 2021. With a 12MP camera and 3-axis gimbal, you are getting a high-quality drone in just under $400. One of the best cheap fishing drones in 2021 on the market, but also the device is very durable and can go through rough usage. The Mavic Mini is one of the most compact drones for fishing on our list by far, with features such as being lightweight and being able to carry twice its size. The entire drone weighs around 0.55 pounds or 250 grams. It is primarily for video and image capturing, but you can also use it for fishing, such as scouting and locating fishes, bait release, and so on. It can capture 12MP aerial pics, and video recordings are at 2.7K HD. The lenses are smooth, precise, and take ultra-smooth images. Moreover, you are also getting a 3-axis motorized gimbal for extra stability while taking a shot. Although the Mavic Mini is lightweight and most of its battery usage is for flying and camera usage, they did not compromise battery life. Moreover, you are getting 30 minutes of flight time with the device. We recommend the drone as it is the best cheap drone in 2021 by far. However, you are paying for the camera and its payload capacity and speed. Number 4. DJI Phantom 3 Fishing Drone. The DJI Phantom 3 is a best budget fishing drone with 4K video recording equipment and a stabilizing 3-axis gimbal, which gives the best aerial pictures and videos that you can take even in high winds. It has a vision positioning system that ensures safety while flying close to the ground. The lens is 20mm wide-angle prime, which gives a maximum range of view on the field. Moreover, you get 4K UHD video recording cameras and a 720p app-based video monitor system on the controller. It also has LED lights for different types of indications. The overall camera and the display make it the perfect drone for scouting for fishes in the water. You are also getting 2 extra batteries with the package, and the remote control is rechargeable. It also comes with a vision sensor that allows you to detect objects and quickly do a 360 degrees turn if necessary. Moreover, you are also getting an extended flight time of 23 minutes, which is better than the previous version of the Phantom series. It comes with 3 cameras that capture footage at 2.7K, 1520p at 30 fps or 24 fps, and the bitrate is 40 Mbps. The standard recording goes up to 48 fps at 1080p resolution. However, you can record at 50 or 60 fps on 720p resolution. Moreover, with the 20mm camera, you are getting 94 degrees of the field of view. Number 5. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fishing Drone. The Mavic Air 2 is a small and compact machine that is a great addition to have on your next fishing trip. The device is small enough to stay with all of your fishing equipment, and there is a hassle for any extra backpack. It may be a portable and small drone, but it is a powerful machine. The drone combines a powerful camera and intelligent functions such as shooting mode, making every image you take crystal clear. It comes with a 48MP camera with 1/2 inches CMOS sensor. Moreover, a 3-axis gimbal gives you stability while shooting videos at 4K 60 fps. Furthermore, the device has quad Bayer image sensors which ensure high-quality images and videos at all times. You also get the OcuSync 2.0, which allows video at a maximum transmission distance of 6.2 miles or 10 km. This fishing drone has a total of 34 minutes of flight and 3 direction obstacle sensors. Furthermore, the drone has intuitive flight controls and a camera, making it easier to take aerial shots. Moreover, Spotlight 2.0 allows you to lock the camera angle, and Active Track 3.0 gives you the option to center the subject. Furthermore, you are also getting the POI 3.0 tracker, which can track a moving subject. These features make it a great fishing drone as you can scout for fishes, and when you see one, you can center the subject till you release the bait. Moreover, you can also function automatic fishing line release for baits and reeling in the fish.